Welcome and welcome back to my channel once again, guys. Today we are going to talk about one of the best penny stocks which you can buy in 2021. So without further ado, let's just get started. But guys, before we jump onto our main content, I would just like to tell you guys that we are discussing all these penny stocks, and not just penny stocks, guys. Everything regarding any type of investment we are discussing on our amazing Discord community. And to gain access to this amazing Discord family, you can go to my Patreon's link in the description down below and you can access to this amazing Discord family. Come on, just go to the link and be the part of this amazing family. And now let's jump on to our main content. So guys, the company which we are going to talk about today is a biotech company and is a penny stock, yes, but it won't remain a penny stock in the coming 12 months. And the company which we are going to talk about today is obsv. obsv, guys, is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing and commercializing novel therapies to improve women's reproductive health. Through strategic in-licensing and disciplined drug development, obsv has established a late-stage clinical pipeline with development programs focused on treating endometriosis, uterine fibroids, and preterm labor. Now, the company was founded back in 2012, so I wouldn't say it's a relatively new biotech company. The company is quite mature and experienced, and they are located in various regions like Geneva, Switzerland, Boston, Massachusetts. They have total employees of around 46 combined in EU and US. They are listing on Nasdaq with the ticker symbol obsv, and they have collaborations with Kisai, Yuan Biosciences, and Merck Serono. And the company is backed up by some amazing seasoned leadership team with a track record of success. Now, the company has an amazing product pipeline which are working on potential to relieve symptoms of heavy menstrual bleeding due to uterine fibroids and pain associated with endometriosis. Plus, they have one more drug which is working and have potential to delay preterm birth to improve newborn health and reduce medical costs. And on the other hand, they have the third drug which has the potential to improve live birth rate following IVF and embryo transfer. And guys, the product pipeline for obsv is just phenomenal. As you can see, the first drug, Celti, is already in the phase 3 trials, and the next milestones for Celti for the uterine fibroids would be the NDA submission in Q3 2021, and MMA for uterine fibroids expected approval would be in Q4 2021. And these are the dates, guys, which are quite important for all the investors. Also, Celti, which is dealing with endometriosis, is also in the phase 3 trials and would be released in Europe and US. And the next milestones for this would be primary endpoint readout, which is expected in Q4 2021. And then this other drug, ibopiprant, I hope it pronounced it right, which is dealing with the preterm labor, is also in the phase 2 trials, completed phase 2 trials, which is phase 2B. The next milestones would be initiation of phase 2B dose ranging study in Q4 2021 again. So guys, you can see that there are so many upcoming catalysts for obsv in this year, and that's why this makes me really bullish on obsv, and I am definitely opening up a position in this company, which we have already discussed on our Patreon's community before making this video. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice. And guys, apart from that, the industry which they are actually working on is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Doesn't matter whichever drug you choose from obsv is targeting a multi-billion-dollar industry. And last but not the least, one important thing which I would like to cover is that they might also be potentially challenging the current standard of care as the best-in-class oral antagonist for advanced prostate cancer. Yes, guys, this could be actually potentially best in the class, the GnRH antagonist from obsv, which is helping in uterine fibroids and endometriosis. obsv is exploring development of linzagolix in combination with estrogen for the treatment of advanced prostate cancer as well. So this is like a bonus, guys, and potential improvement on GnRH antagonist only regimen by further decreasing cardiovascular and bone loss risk as well, and mitigating hot flushes. Phase 3 results showed similar hot flush rates, more than 50% for relugolix and leuprolide. And obsv, apart from that, has exclusive global rights excluding Asia to linzagolix for all the indications. So just to explain this clearly, they do have here an advanced prostate cancer opportunity. The current standard of care aims to reduce testosterone to castration levels. Yeah, the limitations for this type of standard method is injectable GnRH antagonist, most commonly used but associated with initiated T levels, testosterone levels, spike that can worsen symptoms and delay recovery upon drug discontinuation. Now, the benefits of GnRH antagonist is evidence from pooled analysis suggest lower cardiovascular risk, and paradigm change would be once daily oral drugs that can safely and effectively suppress testosterone levels would represent a paradigm change in chronic treatment and disease. And this is what they can achieve with the drug relugolix, which is an oral delivery route, and it's also in the phase 3 trials. So guys, all in all, working in pursuing promising large indications for serious conditions that compromise women's reproductive health and beyond, with the potential to extend into other indications including prostate cancer, which is a bonus, and with the only known product in development for preterm labor which has positive phase 2A data that support a phase 2B dose ranging study, plus with another drug which has a potential best-in-class efficacy, a favorable tolerability profile and unique flexible dosing options, and with a unique business model to build on a strong global partnership and collaborations with a seasoned leadership team with a track record for success. I think obsv is a really good deal and could be a really good investment. But again guys, this is just my personal opinion and I am not a financial advisor, and this is not giving you guys a buy or a sell signal. This is just my personal opinion and why me and my patrons will be bullish on this particular company. Okay guys, so now to finish off with our best penny stock to buy now, and especially in 2021, let's have a quick look at its technical chart. So as we can see right here, on the last trading day, which was on Thursday, I guess, the price was up by 3.08% and obsv was trading at $3.35. And today in the pre-market, it's up by 1.4%, which means at $3.4, but this is fluctuating between 0 and 1.4%. And this is what I would like to see today. So as you can see right here, the 15-day moving average is at $3.35. And what I would be looking at today is if it can really stay above $3.4 for around 1 to 2 hours after the market opens, then we might see that it might break through the 15-day moving average, which is quite amazing. This would be our breakthrough because as you can see right here, it has been bouncing back and this moving average has been acting like a resistance, and this is what I would be looking at. So this stock was discussed on our Patreons community months ago, so we have a cool entry price, but if in case, I would be adding up more position if today it can break the 3.4 or the $3.5 range, and this is what I would be looking in for. But this is just my opinion guys. As you can also see that the RSI is curling up, so if we go on to the 5-day chart, we can see that the RSI is at 59. The MACD is also curling up. We can see the Q sticks are also going into the upward direction, which is quite a bullish pattern. But for now, I wouldn't say that it is a bullish chart. This is just indicating a future bullish momentum pattern, and this is what I would be looking in for. So 3.38, and we can see these are quite a good resistance levels, and if it can go beyond the 15-day moving average, this would be my target, and then I would be adding up in more position. But if in case if it's a reversal, then yeah, I would wait for much better dip. So guys, last but not the least, and this is what I would like to show you guys, the analyst price targets. So as you can see, we have 3 strong buy ratings with no hold and no sell, and this is the stock forecast. This is the price forecast. So the average price for obsv within the next 12 months is supposed to be at $16.67, which is approximately showing an upside potential of 400% from the current price. Now guys, this is insane. Of course, don't even look at the high price range. This is at $28, which is completely insane. But just look at the low range of the price target, which is at $5, which is still showing an upside potential of 40%. Now guys, please don't get too much hyped up with these price targets. These analyst price targets might not always be right. That's why your own due diligence is really important. Your own research is really important. This is just to show you guys an additional information so that you guys can make your own investment strategies. Yeah, this is just to give you a tool to know that, okay, it might, even if it can reach lower range, then we still have a 40% upside potential. But My price target for observer would be around $8 to $10. It can easily reach in this range considering those catalysts. This has huge potential, guys. There are really less biotech companies which are working on women's health, and I do see observer reaching this $8 to $10 price range in the coming 12 months or 2 years max. So this is my price target, guys. This is my personal opinion. This is not a financial advice. Please be careful with your own money. It's your own hard-earned money. Do your own research. And of course, if you need any type of suggestion or if you need any more information, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will definitely answer your questions. And if you have more suggestions on other companies which you want me to make a video, I will definitely take that into consideration. And that's why, guys, I do think that observer could be one of the best penny stocks for 2021 and could be a really good long-term investment as well. But again, guys, this is just my personal opinion. This is not a financial advice. I'm not giving you any buying or selling suggestions. So this is the penny stock which I would be investing myself in, and I have suggested this to my Patreons at a really good entry price. So if you made until the end, guys, and if you liked the video, then don't forget to hit and smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then what are you waiting for? I don't know. Just hit that subscribe button and be the part of this amazing family. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Plus, you get all the notifications when I release these videos. So again, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, ciao.